Hi, welcome to our channel. Let's see what we've done this week.
Hi, so let's see what we've done today. So I've finished cutting off all these trees and putting them up there ready to be cut into logs, and let's see what these two have been up to. So this is the potato bed we've been working on. They've been getting out all the bangweed, and now they're just raking it through, going through with a double dig, so they'll be going through the other pile, make sure there's no bangweed in that.
Well, before I do any more, I've got to put the feed in.
Right, go on in.
So I'll get back later on and see how far we've done.
Morning everyone, Dave. It's Sunday morning, down at allotment myself for a few hours because Danno was down the town getting some supplies in. Few jobs to do the day, but first thing I'm going to do is get this shed unlocked, get the kettle on, get a cup of tea, so I'll be back in a minute. Oh. Hi Geordie, nothing like a nice cup of tea to start the day. So just give you a quick rundown what I'm planning on doing. A lot of these trees around here cut down, still going to burn, so I can get all that out of the way because I've only got a small window left for burning end of March, so try and get as much as it done. It's less for the skip. Done a bed yesterday, hopefully going to maybe start another bed, but we've got an apple tree, so I'm going to get that planted tomorrow. So my son's down the town getting some chicken manure, so, and fish blood and bone, so we'll get that down. So we'll keep you up to date, so enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Danny is starting to dig this over our next bed. Hopefully we'll get this completed today, so we'll show you that later on. Rob's preparing this bed so that we're going to put an apple tree in, so we're just getting all the weeds off it, and then we'll go over and get the apple tree in a minute. Okay, we're putting the apple tree in here. What I'm doing is I'm doing a mix of chicken manure. Well, I can get it open. Be bagged inside now. I'm mixing chicken manure pellets in with soil I'm going to put back in. This will give it some nutrition. And spread some down the bottom of the trench. I'm now going to get some fish blood and bone. In, put some around the bottom. This is all to help give it a good start. And I'll now start filling it up, making sure we're getting the soil around it. Keeping it straight as I can, firm it down. I went from all direction of rope here, if you could
What do you want me to say?
Yeah. We're doing it right.
Yeah, you're doing it right, yeah.
Chicken when you are.
Are you doing it right? Keep filling the hole in a bit higher.
There's a mark. I can't go.
I think that's high enough.
Right.
And then it's table type thing.
I want you to firm it in with your foot. Put your weight on it. Firm it in. And just finish off with a bit more round. That's it. Doesn't need firming anymore. Right. Cable tie.
You think it'll reach?
It's small, these ones. Where's my big cable ties? At the moment I haven't got a proper tree tie, so unless I can get 2 or 3 into these, can I?
You should be able to, yeah. They're in the, there or there.
Unless you get the bigger ones. So we'll get an apple tree, and all I'm going to do now is put a cable tie on there just to hold it for steady until I can get a proper apple tie. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit. So catch you later on. Right, today we've been clearing this area. Stuff over there has got to go to the compost. We've had a fire. Donny's busy putting it out there. So if you like what you've seen this week, don't forget to put a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. Bye.